Drink 1 cup of clove tea. Every day, see what happens to your body. Hi, dear viewers. Clove tea is a potent herbal beverage with numerous health benefits. Today, we'll explore what happens when you drink 1 cup of clove tea every day. Before we share the secret, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss secret health tips. Number 1. Boosts digestive health. Clove tea is known for its ability to improve digestion. It helps to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, reducing bloating and promoting better nutrient absorption. Drinking clove tea daily can help alleviate common digestive issues such as gas and indigestion. Number 2. Strengthens immune system. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which help to strengthen the immune system by fighting off free radicals and reducing oxidative stress. Regular consumption of clove tea can help protect your body from infections and illnesses, keeping you healthier overall. Number 3. Reduces inflammation. The eugenol found in cloves has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Drinking clove tea daily can help reduce inflammation in the body, alleviating symptoms of arthritis and other inflammatory conditions. This can lead to improved joint health and reduced pain. Number 4. Improves oral health. Clove tea has antibacterial properties that can help maintain oral hygiene. It fights against bacteria that cause bad breath, gum disease, and tooth decay. Rinsing your mouth with clove tea or drinking it can contribute to fresher breath and a healthier mouth. Number 5. Enhances respiratory health. Clove tea is effective in relieving respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, and asthma. Its anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties help to clear mucus from the respiratory tract, making it easier to breathe. Drinking clove tea can soothe a sore throat and reduce congestion. Number 6. Regulates blood sugar levels. Clove tea may help in managing blood sugar levels. Compounds in cloves can improve insulin function and lower blood glucose levels. Drinking clove tea regularly can be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Number 7. Supports liver health. The antioxidants in clove tea help to protect the liver from oxidative damage and improve its overall function. Regular consumption of clove tea can promote detoxification and support the liver in its crucial role of filtering toxins from the blood. Number 8. Promotes weight loss. Clove tea can boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Its ability to improve digestion and reduce inflammation can support your weight loss efforts. Drinking clove tea before meals can help control appetite and prevent overeating. Number 9. Alleviates headaches. The anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties of clove tea can help to reduce headaches. Drinking a cup of clove tea at the onset of a headache can provide relief and prevent the headache from worsening. Number 10. Improves skin health. Clove tea has antimicrobial and antioxidant properties that can benefit your skin. It can help to clear up acne, reduce skin inflammation, and promote a healthy complexion. Drinking clove tea regularly can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. Drop a comment below about what changes you're planning to make or any topics you'd like me to cover in future videos.